Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable developer options on any Android. So first you have to go to the settings, and over the settings you can simply see a search settings on the top. Tap on that and you have to check for the build number, which is on the top. Tap on that option. On the blue font there's a build number option. Select that and we need to tap on it 7 times, and here you can see you're now a developer. So let's go back and type again developer options and tap on that option, and here you can see it's simply on. And if you want to disable it, you can simply toggle off the icon which is on the right hand side, just like this. So this is it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads, and I hope this video was helpful to you.